It's me again. It's BETCHAY. Today I have two boxes to unbox. One from Florida, company name Jack's Jungle, and I have been wanting this plant for the longest time. I just can't afford to do it right away. But anyway, I found one and I feel like it is a good price, so I got that. And then I also have another plant imported. This is from Thailand, and this is my first time importing from Thailand, and it's kind of scary, but I'll tell you, they ship it last Saturday and I got it today, Wednesday. So I'm so happy with that it really came faster than I could think of, and I can't wait to open also, because this is also one of my wish list kind of plant. I am very excited. I can't even oh goodness gracious. But anyway, let's open maybe from Thailand first, and because you can tell it got opened by the custom because it's not the original tape anymore. Hi Tai Tai, you want to come sit here? All right. Okay. Alright, I'm just so excited with this. And hopefully, well, the plant should be okay though, because it's not that long and it's not that very cold anymore here. And so, all right, anyone can guess, but I'll tell you, I can't find a plant, this one here in United States with this price. So it was kind of a gamble, like, oh my god, really, I'm really going to buy this from that far? But you know what, I got it and I'm so thankful. And also, this is from Variegated Plants Fam at Etsy, and the owner was really nice, and he communicate, or she communicate with me like all the way. So all right, let me show you what it is. Oh, I guess it's backward, but it is Monstera Burl Max Flame, and it was a good price. I'll tell you, it is a good price, and hopefully what I saw in the picture would be the same as it is. All right, let's go ahead and open it. Oh my god. Well, it's actually packed too really nicely, but I mean, the length of mailing it here, shipping it here was not that long enough. So, oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Alright. Kind of turned yellow, some of the leaves, but hey, it's a new leaf anyway. Oh no, 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 no. It's actually the newest left. There you go. Isn't that pretty? Oh, did you see? Did you see my hands are shaking? Oh my god. Oh my god. I am so excited. Look at that. Look at that. Look at the leaves. Look at the leaves. Those are new leaves right here. I think this one, yeah, this is the new leaf over here. I am so excited. Oh my god. Oh my god, guys. I'm not kidding. This is only $150. and I can find it here on that price. And look how tall it is now. It seems like it's a foot already. So I am happy with this purchase. Thank you, Variegated Plants fam. Anyway, it's not sponsored or anything. This is my first time buying in this company or this person, but he did great. Shipment was so fast too. But you still have to pay the shipment fee. But I'm happy with this purchase. Look at that again. Look at that. I mean, I'll tell you, I'm not an expert of any plant at all. I just love to plant. I've been planting ever since, but right now it's just being crazy with all the plants. As I said, I'm not an expert. I just love to plant, and it seems like we're in this world anyway, loving indoor plants. But yeah, look at that. I'm happy for the purchase. Okay, let's go for the next one. Thank you, Variegated Plants fam. You are so good. I love the plants. I may purchase more because I'll tell you, it is worth it. It is worth it. So now this one I'm opening is from, ow, 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 ow. Oh. Jack's Jungle. I bet you all know about this place. It's from Florida. And as I said, this is my #1 wish list. And finally got it. I mean, I waited for a while to buy this plant. Acclimating to your jungle. Okay, she have plant care tips. And this is also the first time I buy plants from Jack's Jungle also. And I'm sorry for the background. Tyler is chewing his bone. Come over here, Tyler. So you won't chew. Come here. Sit with me. Come to mama. Come here. There you go. Good job. All right, stay here. Okay, and all right. Yep. And then the receipt. Yeah, this is also good price too. But let me tell you, as I said, this is my #1 wish list on my plant listing thing. But woo, packaging is really nice, and I'll tell you, I love my Mother's Day. It's actually kind of like, you know what? Let's buy it now since the price was okay. Oh my God, she did really good in packaging. Okay, and she also give me the hanging thing also. This is what it shows in the picture in their website too. So I guess she just sent everything what's on the picture. Alright, this must be the bottom because this is the one that's heavy part. Alright, oh my God, look at that packaging. Whew. Alright, this is from Jack's Jungle, and it didn't show anything in it, so I'm just gonna like surprise everyone. But as I said, this is one of my wish list kind of plants. Alright, hold on 1 second. Okay. Alright, Tai Tai. What are you doing? You hiding over there? Come sit with mommy. Come over here. Oopsie. Ooh. Alright. No, don't eat that, buddy. Don't eat that. I'm excited. I'm just doing it that way so you guys can be like, what the heck is that plant she's opening? Oh my God, I can see it already. Oh my God. Oh my God. I have as I said, it's one of my wish list plants. Oh my god. This is so worth it. Oh my goodness, but definitely needs to be hydrate, I guess. Guys, do you recognize this plant? It's Espiritu Santi. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I have it already. Espiritu Santi. Isn't it a beauty? Okay. Jack's Jangle. I think she only have one because when I bought it, it got like sold out already. But the price is $2.90. I cannot find $2.90 on Espiritu Santi anymore at this size. I went to a place where they have also Espiritu Santi, and this size was like $400. I am so happy. Thank you, Jack's Jungle. And anyway, I paid it full. Nothing is like, you know, discounts or anything, but I'm just happy to mention their company because they did great on packaging. Shipment was fast, and I guess they, you know, they kind of like need that review too, that they're good at it. But anyway, I am happy with my purchase. All right, Espiritu Santi, Monstera, Burl Mars Flame. Ah, what a beautiful Mother's Day! Ah! Sorry, I'm just so excited, but I am very excited. Anyway, I'll go ahead and check on them because I don't want my other plants to get something from it. And I need to put this in the water and whatever I need to do with it. But yeah, I'm so happy with my purchase, and good luck to me for this. Bye.